He came and did a room already. Oh, so cute. An elephant. So that's how our room looks right now. Clean. Shaka. We're ready to get off. We just finished eating breakfast. People already got off. Well, it's okay. We're in no rush. We're just gonna kick it at the beach today. The water's choppy. Really choppy. We're gonna go sail with the stingrays. But we're gonna stay here. Tomorrow we go into the Kennedy. Oh no, not tomorrow. Tomorrow's the sea day. Saturday when we get off in Orlando, we're going to the Kennedy space. Grand Turks. Still early.